Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. And if I hadn't have tried this, I wouldn't think this would work whatsoever. There's no way to do this in Corel. This is another macro by our friend Eskimo. And I've got long sections and little bitty sections. If you select it all and you got his macro called arrange vertically, I think, and double click on it, it's going to put those in order. Maybe I didn't click on it. And then you hit E on your keyboard, or no, C, and put it in the center. That is incredible that it arranged those by size. Now, a second macro that he uses is called space between centers. If we want to look at this, what it really looks like with a 2-inch space between them, look at that. It spaced all those out depending on their length and put them up vertically. Let's do that one more time. That's crazy. I mean, you could rearrange them. And I think if you hit C right now, you wouldn't have to do it what I did a while ago. But I've got it all selected. I'm gonna double click and look at that. And then use the second macro space between centers. And let's just do like a 1-inch space. Well, that didn't work. Maybe because they're bigger than 1 inch. So let's make them 2 inches. And you have to have it all selected and hit apply. I mean, look at that. Now you could do that inside of Corel, but you'd have to figure out the math to put the second one down here to kind of like arrange them. This is putting them from the top to the bottom 2 inches apart. This is a really big because this is 40-inch page. So I will leave both these macros. Now this one doesn't have a box. It's just a macro, and he actually has. I watched his video this morning. He actually has it stored up there, which you could do. But I mean, if you wanted to arrange these boxes by their size, and let's go C first, and then do that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.